Hello everybody, guess what I'm fixing to do? It's time to do another chandelier. And I've already took the lights out of it, and I showed in another video how I got these, because I'll use these on top of these little brass things to tighten them up on there. You can see how dirty, like right in there, it's just dirty. And then you can see this chain. And it's old. It had the wiring that had the cloth over it instead of rubber. And so you wouldn't have wanted to use it as it was anyway. But that's what I'll be working on. Okay, I'm going to show you how I put these little things here back on. And I've lost the nut that goes to it. Oh, there it is. So what I'm doing, I'm just using tacky glue. You could use something super duper like some E6000 or something, but you know, I just want it to not get floppity. So I think this will work just fine. And I'm putting it on the threads. And that'll kind of push some of it down. See, you got it on that part. And then I take this rusty little piece that I broke off. I'll put the link, I'll put a little section of that video where I showed how to break those off, if I can find it. It's just the, you know, the bottom part of the light thing. And they'll have these two metal things that come up. And you just do like that, and they usually break off right there where they're supposed to. These wires are hooked. And it's best to get like some, this is a awesome little tool. Just go ahead and snip the wires so that you can turn it without the wires twisting. Turn that off. And then I'll show you how because I'm going to use this piece for like a nut. And I don't have my good pliers. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, I guess that's what you call these. So I've got it in there like that. I'm just going to start wiggling it back and forth. And for some reason, every time, it breaks off even there. I hadn't had it where, you know, it breaks off over, you know, over to the side some. I don't know why, but I guess it's just a weaker part in the middle. And you'll notice that sticks up in the base. And that little nut thing, I'll screw it on there. And then I'll either put something over this or fill it up with hot glue like I did another one I made. Tighten it up pretty good by hand. And I got an alcohol rag. I'm going to go in the back and wipe any glue that might be showing. Okay, guess what I did? I don't video everything I do. And so I forgot I was videoing this chandelier. But I don't want to just not upload it because there's some pretty good information at the beginning. So this is it after I took it to my booth. And I'd painted it black. I'll move the picture. Oh. Well, I painted it black because I was going to distress it back and let a little black show. And then it looked, you know, farmhouse. So I left it black and done a stencil on it. That was not easy to do since it was curved and not evenly curved. And then I distressed the stencil. And I don't have it hanging yet, but I'm going to try to fix that. And so there's another view of it. Let's zoom in. And oh, and I used some fabric. It looks good hanging with that fabric that's got the little frayed edges and all. And there it is there. Oh, that's a clear picture. Let's so you can see. But anyway, sorry about that, but look what I'm working on. So, I'm going to try to finish this one from beginning to end. And it'll be a different look. And I'll throw in some of the same tips probably and some more tips too. Thanks a lot for watching, y'all. Bye.